Yes. How many you have submitted your homework?
Ma'am, of air winds and cyclones, ma'am.
Yes. All the homework.
I have to submit it, ma'am, that homework. All the homeworks are done.
All the homeworks are done. And who else have
Just
not?
I have to submit this homework map of air winds and cyclones.
Ma'am, I also submit only air wind and cyclone. I do my all
Today
works.
I will submit, ma'am,
Ma'am,
inshallah.
I have submitted.
Because dear, in this month
I
of
have to
September,
submit.
I have to submit your all tasks. Okay. So
Yes.
I have, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So I have already given enough time to complete your work.
Yes.
So please just complete your work and submit
Okay.
today itself.
Ma'am, what is homework?
Okay.
Only air wind and cyclone is left, ma'am. To
Yes,
at
ma'am.
the file. I will, inshallah, ma'am, by today's evening, I will get it.
Yes, try to complete today itself and just submit today only.
Yes, ma'am.
And
I
who are
complete and
taking
send
the
today.
math? Who are taking the math class?
Sorry,
Who is taking the math class, ma'am?
maths teacher only taking. What happened?
No, yesterday you take, no, ma'am. And day before yesterday, arts ma'am take.
Yes, I don't know. Today, maybe your maths teacher will take your class. When you're having maths
Okay,
class?
ma'am. We have after that this class only we have math class.
So definitely she will be there. Okay. So she is going to take class. Okay, now back to the topic as we were doing before. If you
Good
have
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Okay. So this is all about air, wind, and cyclone as we have done. And hopefully we are going to refer to from today your textbook even. Okay. So definition and all this thing you have already means we have done. Okay. Please mute your sounds. No, backside some television voice is coming. Can you please? Okay, in this, before starting your proper lesson, just some information about this lesson and all this thing. Extra information I'm going to give you. Okay, just condition that leads to a severe thunderstorm. Thunderstorm usually because children are very much uh, keen about to know that these things. So you can see that condition that leads to a severe thunderstorm. Okay, cold upper level wind. It is cold upper level wind and
Down level wind.
yes. So what is going on that the first thing which is there downward you can see that is a warm air updraft pushes into a normal rain. Usually the warm air which is there, suppose आपके पास क्या होता कभी आप लोग फील करते हो कि बहुत गर्मी हो जाती है एकदम से बारिश होती है उसके बाद okay
Yes, ma'am.
so this
Yes,
warm
ma'am.
yes warm air uplift means updraft pushes into normal rain okay then what will happen the updraft of warm air rotate as it pushes moisture up to 40,000 to 60,000 feet okay slowly it is moving this air is moving up then the warm air and moisture bumps into cold upper level wind creating a severe thunderstorm. When the that cold air and warm air both okay both collides
Mixed together.
yeah mix it will be mixed and it is a clash के जैसा हो जाता है a clash just like a clash because ions positive and negative ions and the heat and cold will be collide with each other एक टकरा से जाते हैं so as a result what will happen the rain will come and you will see the lightning okay sometimes
Yes, ma'am.
if it is
Thunder.
very heavy so tornadoes and sometimes very heavy wind this all will come it is because of the change of temperatures different temperatures will be leading to this okay our main topic which is starting
Yes.
from the first lesson is air only that how we can put the pressure on the air is
Yes.
blowing balloons and this all because of air only these are the applications of air In our daily
Yes, ma'am.
life, we are having so many applications. But if lab, if we are going, so we are seeing and doing in a different way. But in our daily life, we can see that we are putting sometimes low pressure, sometimes high pressure, and these balloons will be blowing, even in the bottles. So this is the applications of air only. Okay, again, this is the wind, which is air from the land. You know that when the evaporation is going on, so all the land will be dry. As a result, land will become hot. So air, which is the warm air from the wind, from the land, because of the evaporation, air will be becoming warm. This will be going up. It will be less denser warm air, because always the warm air is
Yes,
less dense. हल्की हो जाती है.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a
Yes.
doubt. Ma'am,
Tell me.
when there is a sandstorm, ma'am, the wind is cool or hot, ma'am, in sandstorms.
Sandstorms?
Air will be hot or cool.
No, actually, when
I got-
storms, yes, storms are coming, especially sandstorms. So definitely, along with the air, sand is also moving. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, the velocity and
Ma'am, air is hot also and
Yes.
cold also, ma'am.
yes, the weight of air will be heavier. That time you will see,
I checked in
yeah,
my
when the
laptop.
sandstorm is different from normal air, it will carry
Yes.
all the sands. So definitely, the density of that air will be different. Okay.
Okay.
In that case, density, the weight will be different. If you will see the normal air, because of the evaporation, moisture is less. So when your air will become very warm, but the lighter in weight, because that nothing is there, because the matter, you know that air is the mixture of different gases. But in sandstorm, usually in that areas when the sandstorm, dust storm is going on, so dust is having weight. It is a matter, but it carries much weight than normal. So definitely it is heavier than, it is not light. It is very hot. Definitely hot, but it is not lighter. Okay,
Yeah.
now
ma'am, how it will cool down?
it will be cooled down when it will be going up. Okay, the temperature, because here you can see that land, because of the land is very hot because of evaporation. When the evaporation is going up, so this water vapors will be in the atmosphere. This atmosphere will become cool. Okay, land is hot, but the atmosphere here you can see it is very cool. So slowly this air will be mixing and air become cool here in this area. The air gets colder as you get higher into the atmosphere. You can see there. Who is asking this question?
Ma'am, Khatija Fatima.
Khatija, you get it? Here, when
Yes, ma'am.
during the daytime, when you people can see that because of the sun, water will be evaporate from the land. Okay, so when the water will be evaporate from the land, so as a result, what will happen? That the atmosphere here, this area will be hot. Okay, so in this area surrounding us, there the land is there. This area, the air will be warm because of the evaporation. As it will be going up, okay, and more up, the air gets colder, okay, as it is going up in the atmosphere, okay, then it will be heavier than the warm air. Then this cold air denser, then it will be coming back again. So there is a cycle.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, when water moves, ma'am, due to air, ma'am, the weight of air is heavier or looser, ma'am?
So water is not moving in the air in the form of liquid. Yeah, definitely when water is moving up in the form of gases only. Okay, humidity is nothing. When we are seeing the humidity, the drops, that drops is also not very much heavy. Okay, but the water evaporates in the form of gas only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
So, ma'am, air will be heavier, ma'am, in that case.
yeah, air will be lighter if it is hot. If it is cold, so why it is cold? Tell me. Bashari, I
Ma'am,
think
Because of less weight.
yes.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
this case, you can see the wind is warm, right? and it is
If
lighter.
we,
So why
if
it
the
is,
wind so much, the weight is heavier. The
yes. So why it is heavier when it is cold?
Because ma'am, it have more gases, ma'am, when it's cold.
No,
Yes.
because it is having
And
more.
when
No, let
ma'am,
me.
when it is hot, the sun will kill all gases.
Ma'am, please continue.
Okay, continue. Because when the wind
but
is, yes, wind is
yes,
moving
for
up, wind is moving up.
Ma'am,
Listen, class 7, let me complete, then you come with your question, please.
excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, let me complete. Yes, tell me. Yes, who is asking question?
Atif Hussain, ma'am.
Atif Hussain, tell me.
I'm not understanding, ma'am.
You're not understanding? What you're not understanding?
You are telling.
From where? The
Ma'am,
whole?
this air has weight or not, ma'am?
Who is having? Yes. Atif, come with your question.
What,
Where-
ma'am?
Ah. What's your question?
Whoa. Homework,
Usually-
ma'am, not
Ah.
understanding.
Okay, usually it is, okay, look at the picture.
Ma'am,
Okay,
network problem is coming.
okay, from your side here.
Ma'am, here is a network problem in
Okay.
my area.
Okay, dear.
Ma'am, network.
All of you mute your sounds and listen to me. Atif, you are not able to understand, no? Okay, this is the land. Okay, normally till your house on this road or somewhere. Suppose this is the earth, normal. Okay, now the air in the form of wind, because moving air is called as wind. Keep it in your mind. So in this area, when the sun will come, so the sun will take all the moist. The sun warms the land, which warms the air. Means, what does this mean? That all the water, humidity will be going
Increase.
towards the, yes, it will going up. So as a result, this area will be hot. Why? Because the process of evaporation is going on. जैसे कि आप लोग कपड़े
Ma'am,
सुखाते
network is not coming.
ओके, जैसे कि आप लोग कपड़े सुखाते हैं तो क्या होता है?
Who,
अगर
who spoiled the screen, ma'am?
ओके,
Yes, ma'am, someone is saying.
Ma'am, someone spoiled the screen.
can you please mute your sounds, please?
Come, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Okay, so Atif, listen, for you only, I just
He's
repeat this all again here. Okay, so listen to me. So because of the evaporation, this land will be hot. So now the wind is heated. Wind is heated means the air will be warm. So this air will be lighter. Why it will be lighter, Bashari? Because there is less water vapors. Humidity will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
less. तो बेटा जब पानी कम हो जाता है, so when the water is less, so definitely this air is becoming denser. Okay, lighter, sorry,
Okay, ma'am.
lighter.
Light.
So now
Ma'am, when air will go up, it will become lighter. When it will
Yes.
come down, it will become.
when the less
more.
dense warm air rises, so it will be going in the atmosphere. Atmosphere is having all water vapors, and this air will start cool.
Tiny droplets of water vapor gather
Yes.
together. It forms
Yes,
clouds, ma'am.
when it will be, air will be cool down means it will be mixed with the moisture which is there in this atmosphere. As a result, this water, this cool air will be having dense air, and it will be coming. जब कोई चीज भारी हो जाती है तो वो फिर नीचे की तरफ आने लगती है. So definitely
ma'am.
जब हल्की चीज है तो ये ऊपर की तरफ जा रही है. Okay, but when it is
Yes.
lighter तो वो जमीन की तरफ आ रही है. So this is the process. Atif, you get it? Okay, क्योंकि ये एयर यहाँ से गर्म हुई तो ये एयर ऊपर की तरफ चढ़ने लगी. ओके, जब ऊपर से आसमान पे से ये एयर क्यों हुई? आतिफ, आप समझ रहे हैं? आतिफ,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके बेटा, तो जब आसमान से ये सूरज आया यानी सन, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सन गर्मी आई. गर्मी से क्या हुआ? मॉइस्ट, हाँ, ह्यूमिडिटी एंड मॉइस्ट विल बी इवेपोरेट. पूरा का पूरा पानी जो है उड़ गया. पानी उड़ने से क्या हुआ? हवा गर्म हो गई. व्हेन हवा ये गर्म हुई तो फिर क्या हुआ? हवा हल्की हो गई.
It
जब भी
became
कोई चीज,
lighter.
प्लीज क्वाइट प्लीज, जब ये हवा गर्म हो गई तो फिर क्या हुआ, ये पानी, ये हवा ऊपर की तरफ जाने लगी. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग इन अदर लैंग्वेज उर्दू, क्योंकि बच्चों को जो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एटलीस्ट दे कैन गेट इट. ओके, तो ये हवा जब बेटे गर्म हो गई तो ये कोई भी चीज जब हल्की हो जाती है तो वो ऊपर की तरफ उड़ने लगती है, तो ये ऊपर की तरफ उड़ गई. देन इन एटमॉस्फेयर यूजुअली क्या होता है, वाटर वेपर्स है. मॉइस्ट एयर का मतलब है वाटर वेपर्स. ये वाटर वेपर्स मिक्स विद दिस हॉट एयर. तो फिर क्या हुआ, जब हॉट एयर में ये वाटर वेपर्स मिक्स हो गए तो हवा कूल हो गई. तो अब क्या हुआ, जब आप कोई चीज किसी चीज के अंदर डाल देते हैं, एक बैलून खाली था, जब बैलून में सिर्फ गैस होती है तो वो ऊपर उड़ने लगती है, लेकिन अगर आप बैलून के अंदर थोड़ा सा पानी डाल देंगे तो फिर वो नीचे की तरफ आने लगेगी. देख रहे हैं ना आप लोग? ओके, तो
Yes,
अब क्या
ma'am.
हुआ, अब ये एयर के अंदर मॉइस्ट आ गया तो फिर वो नीचे की तरफ सिंक करने लगी, तो फिर वो ठंडी हवाएं शाम में आने लगती हैं. फिर सुबह दिन के टाइम
Ma'am,
पे
if
गर्म
we
हवा
not
पर,
put in the balloon gas, it will not go up, ma'am.
no, if you will put hydrogen gas, some other gas, okay, it will be going up. Okay, लेकिन अगर आप,
ma'am.
yes, tell me.
Ma'am, this is a part of water cycle only.
Yes, it is the part of wind
Ma'am,
cycle.
some people will sell the gas balloon,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
So,
which gas have
And
more
price
lighter
them-
weight, ma'am? Nitrogen or oxygen?
hydrogen. Okay.
Hydrogen have more
Yeah.
lesser weight.
Yes, definitely.
Wait,
Khatija,
ma'am,
you
I
was
will
having
Thank
some
you.
question you
My
was asking
laptop.
in between. Khatija,
Connect hotspot.
you got it? बेटा मैं इसीलिए सब लैंग्वेजेस में समझा रही हूँ आप लोगों को, जिन बच्चों को पूरी तरह से लैंग्वेज समझ में नहीं आ रही है उनके लिए आई जस्ट स्पीक इन अदर लैंग्वेज, उर्दू में भी बोल रही हूँ. ओके, सो आतिफ, होपफुली यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
आतिफ हुसैन, अब क्लियर हुआ आपको बेटा? Okay, during
Yes,
the
ma'am.
class, if few people are not able to understand in English, so don't be hesitate, beta. Okay, if you are not able to understand in English, तो आप लोग बोल सकते हैं कि teacher, can you please
Explain.
yes translate in Urdu? So definitely I am going to translate in Urdu. Okay, Hindi, Urdu.
Okay,
whatever.
ma'am.
Okay, बेटा. So, but the main thing is main purpose is कि आप लोगों को समझ में आए हर चीज. Okay, the theme concept should be clear. Okay, so now I'm going to stop and just going to start our normal your books.
Yes, book.
Okay, textbook. Okay, this is the chapter number 8. Those who are not having books in your hand, you can refer to the screen. Okay, so page number 73, and this is okay. You can see the screen, all
Yes,
of you.
ma'am.
Okay, this
Yes,
is
I'm
air,
able to see
wind,
the
and water. Okay, this is the book from your state syllabus. So, who is going to read?
Ma'am, I want to read Muhammad
Okay.
Bashadi.
Okay, all of you see on the screen, please. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Chapter number 8, Air, Winds and Cyclones. We know that when we ride on a bicycle in the direction of wind, it is easy to ride the bicycle. But when we go opposite to the direction of the wind, it is very hard and we may tire easily. Try to guess the reason. How else does wind affect and influence our lives? Sometimes the wind is cold and sometimes it is pleasant and nice. It can blow clouds and sometimes raises dust. It is something gentle but can be really strong too and blow away things. You have read in the class 6 that clothes dry faster on a windy day. Write 5 examples from your daily life that you feel are influenced by wind. Since
Okay.
wind have so much.
Wait, Mashadi. So, yes, we have discussed a lot about air and wind. So, anybody can give the example?
Ma'am, in older,
Example.
ma'am, I want to give an example
Yes.
of our daily life. Ma'am, to sail what? Ma'am, in olden days, ma'am, there was no engine present in the ships, ma'am. That's why they used to use curtains, ma'am. They used to put the curtains on large rods and
Yes.
attach that rods in the ship.
Yes, yes.
in which direction the wind blows,
Yes.
they travel
But-
to that direction, ma'am.
So actually, it was the application of air. Okay.
Yes.
They were applying air. They were using air. So in your home, what your means anybody can else give application of air? That air
Ma'am,
really
example
helps.
fan, ma'am. If when we on fan, ma'am, the room will
No,
be cool, ma'am.
but
In hotter days.
Bashari, let them speak. No, some other also. You have given one example.
Fan, ma'am, fan, AC, cooler.
And some background voice is coming, ma'am.
Breaking.
Okay.
I cut and rejoin.
And what? What else?
And your voice is breaking.
Mushtaba?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes.
your voice is breaking so much in the middle, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Exhaust fan is not right example.
Yes.
Ma'am, exhaust fan also. It will take down all the hot air
yes,
from
ma'am.
our
Yes,
room,
ma'am, from the kitchen.
from the kitchen. Or
And where else?
And chimney.
Not coming
Ma'am?
properly.
So the question is any 5 example in your daily life and you feel that it is really influenced. Okay? Means it
Ma'am, some boats have motors, ma'am.
Ma'am,
They need air to move.
Ma'am, when we run, we will get air.
means different type of air means different type of ways on which your air is influence your life. Who is having ideas? Yeah, think and tell me. Because
Ma'am,
science is
Excuse me,
all
ma'am.
about
Aeroplane.
yes.
ma'am,
Aeroplane
please
has
tell
fans
question again.
on its wing.
Ma'am, please
Yes.
explain the question again.
Okay. Write
Excuse me,
few.
ma'am.
Listen to me, dear. Can you please mute your sounds?
Okay.
Okay. Write 5 examples from your daily life that you feel are influenced by air. आपकी जिंदगी में कोई ऐसे 5 एग्जाम्पल नहीं, कोई भी एक one by one you just give your example कि ऐसा लगा आपको कि अरे विंड से बहुत जो है फर्क पड़ रहा है घर में.
Ma'am, I have a good example, ma'am.
Okay, that is a good example. Air is different.
Ma'am, I
Air
also have good
yes,
example.
yes. Air is not a moving
Ma'am,
air.
we have to burn
Moving air is a wind.
coal, so it will already burn, then it will not, it will give heat, we have to give air, it can blow again.
Ma'am,
Yes, you can-
aeroplane also have fans, ma'am, on its
Yes.
wings.
Aeroplanes.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, hair
To go
dryer.
up.
Yeah, hair dryer also giving air to you. Okay, and it is not wind, but the air flow of air is more. Okay,
Yes.
blower. This all the types of because it's all artificial. But if you are going outside your house, you can see आपके जो है personality पे असर होता है, आपके कपड़ों पे कपड़े उड़ने लगते. That is influenced by
Yes,
the
ma'am.
air only. Okay, so many things outside you can see from garbage even from one place to another place. Okay, even the pollination
Papers, ma'am.
process. Yes, pollination, if you remember in biology, pollination, the process by which pollen grains are moving from one flower to another flower, that is also because of the wind only. Okay, it is not the air, it is the wind. So always keep it in your mind. You should have a clear concept of air and wind. There is a big difference between
Yes.
air and wind. Air is a mixture of gases, but if it is moving
Moving.
too much, that is called as wind. The same air, if moving, it is called as a wind. It is not called as a air. Okay. Now the next, since wind has so much effect on our life, we have to find out what winds are. How do they arise? Khatija, can you please read from this? The air around us.
The air around us is rarely still. It moves continuously from one direction to another. The movement is
Ma'am, we have to
man-
relog in.
Yes.
the movement is in many directions. This is what we call wind. So we know that wind is moving air. Let us try to understand something more about air and winds.
Yes. So
Let's do.
1 minute, dear. Okay, Khatija, just wait. Okay, means what? That around you you can feel air. अब अभी आप बैठे हुए सबके सब.
Can I read?
Okay, 1 minute, beta. Just let me explain, then I'll come back to you. Okay, means suppose Khatija, you're sitting on your place. What do you feel? You are having air or wind around you?
Cold
Around
wind.
you.
No, all
And
of
air,
air is there.
air we have
Okay,
around us.
अगर wind होती तो क्या difference होता था?
Ma'am, it will blow things, ma'am.
Yes, it will be start blowing things.
And we
Okay,
have to rejoin.
things
Yes.
are moving.
Proud. किधर जाता है तो?
Man, we have to
Ma'am, around
rejoin.
here.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am. Inside Earth, ma'am, when we go deeper inside of a coal mine, ma'am, it will be no oxygen, ma'am. No oxygen will be
Yes,
present,
ma'am.
no.
Inside.
Yes.
Oxygen will be lesser. Even if you are
Yes.
going up more,
Man, we have to rejoin.
yes, you have to rejoin your classes till 45.
Ma'am,
And
we
we
are,
have to
ma'am, Earth is
rejoin.
in zero level, ma'am.
Yes, zero level. And if you are going up also, the air will be, means the oxygen level will be less. Now moving to the next,
Ma'am,
Atif
on
Hussain.
the
Atif
And we have
Hussain.
to rejoin.
moon have oxygen, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Man, we have to
Ma'am,
rejoin.
tell them to take permission. And
Okay. Now let us do one. Atif Hussain, can you please?
Yes, ma'am.
Atif Hussain, can you please read? Where do we find?
Let's.
Ma'am, I read.
Let him try.
Take a bucket.
Bucket.
Take a bucket full of water and transparent glass. Take a paper, crumple it into two balls and push it to the bottom of the glass. Invert this glass and immerse it to the bucket of water.
Man, we have to rejoin.
Yes, rejoin. Keep the glass.
Keep the glass straight and press it so that the glass is completely underwater. Take it out and observe what happens.
Yes.
Did the paper in the glass get wet or no? What would happen if you tilt
Tilt.
the glass? Impressing is
Yes.
will put it in water. Try it.
Okay. Who will give the answer of
Ma'am,
this question?
I read.
No,
Ma'am,
no.
I want to answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am.
What do you understand after this activity? Let us do.
Ma'am, I am.
Take a bucket full of water and transparent
Yes,
glass.
and we have.
Take yes.
And we have to put that transparent
Dribble
glass
into
in
a ball
a bucket
and
of
push
water,
it
ma'am.
into the bottom of the
Ma'am, I
glass.
read.
Yes, wait here. Wait. Invert this glass and inverse it into the bucket of water. Keep the glass straight and press it so that the glass is completely underwater.
Yes.
Okay, take it out and observe what happened. Today you will do this experiment in your home, and next
Okay,
class you are going
Okay,
to
ma'am.
see what is the result of this
We have to
experiment.
discuss, ma'am, in
Yes,
next class
yes, means
program.
yeah. In this picture you can see what happened. They just put this paper. Okay, insert this paper inside this glass. नीचे तक न रख दिए. Then what is going on? What is going on? Then they
We
just
have to
took
pull that.
a bucket of the water and try to put inside the water. So what will happen? When you will do
Ma'am,
this,
the paper will get wet, ma'am,
so why it all happens?
because of the water, ma'am.
Because of the
Yes,
water.
ma'am.
So the flow of water will go up or down.
Ma'am, up, ma'am. It will
Please
come up.
unmute your sound. Unmute your sound.
Ma'am, we are
Yes.
you.
Up, ma'am.
Okay. Take it out
Water
and
will come up, ma'am, because of the glass.
because of
When we will pull it down,
But
ma'am, the
Ma'am,
water
I
will
read.
try to come up.
yes. So I want from everyone. How many students today? 21 students I'm seeing here. So all the students will do this experiment today. They बहुत simple experiment है
Yes,
बेटा.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can
Yes,
send
ma'am.
images to you.
Yes. Because if you people are physically present in the class, I can show you. But here, if I'm doing here, you cannot be take the taste of that experiment. You cannot
No, no,
take
no.
the taste of that
Ma'am, in 1
experiment
minute
Essence,
we
and
have
show
to
it.
relog in.
Okay, essence or
Essence we can't
taste.
take.
Yes, that essence
Ma'am, in
or
1 minute
taste.
we have to relog in.
Yes.
In 1 minute we have to relog in, ma'am.
So the next
Now
is
we have to continue.
let us do
Your
two.
activity.
Ma'am, we have to relog in.
Yes. Who is going to read? Shaukat? Shaukat, can you please read? Let us do.
Ma'am, I read.
Ma'am, I
Can
will.
I read?
Tell your
Ma'am,
name.
I read.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I
Mustafa,
read Mustafa Hussain.
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
What
I
who
was-
want
read
to? Mustafa Hussain.
Ma'am, I.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, or
Ma'am,
Mustafa
who is
Ali.
going to
Okay,
read?
wait.
Ma'am, I
Mir Mustafa Ali. Okay, one small, two lines you will read, then Mustafa Hussain. I want to see
Yes, ma'am.
yes, reading also. Let us do two.
Fill a bucket with water. Take a bottle with a narrow
Mouth.
mouth and immerse it in the bucket.
Wait. What you are reading?
Ma'am is reading wrong, ma'am.
Okay.
The words
fill
are not
a
Okay.
bucket with a
Immerse.
water.